Well, yes, 721s. We're back at it again. And today's episode, we're going to do a reveal of a new project. So guys, stay tuned and let's enjoy the sun together. Today I got something special for you all, where we're going to be going to the French site, to be more precise, to pick up this new build, this new project that I'm going to be taking on. And I'm waiting on Joshua here to come pick me up. So yeah, as soon as he comes in, then we're going to meet with our friend the tow truck driver, and then we're gonna share everything else with you guys. We have here is a E30. This is a 3 series E30 318i, the sport version. It comes with a 1.8 engine. So pretty much what I'm going to be doing is stripping this car, keeping what is good on it as far as fenders, stuff like that. You know, whatever I could salvage off of it, because the chassis is no good. The whole entire bottom end is no good. So I'm gonna strip this car, and put everything into this one here, which is a 325 IS, which is a coupe. It needs work, believe me, it needs quite a bit of work as far as the rust and getting things back, but it's in better shape than the 4-door for sure. As you can see here, you have a few rusted spots that needs to be taken care of. The whole entire front end, we're going to take that from the 4-door and swap it over. The hood, swap over. So here we got a little bit of rust as well. That's a little bit, but it's more than a little bit. But yeah, I mean, body wise it's still in good shape. I haven't done anything, I haven't cleaned up anything. So just as it was told and delivered, this is how it remained. Not touch anything as yet. So we're gonna be going through all of that as well. As you can see that big hole right there watching me there, like the Flintstones went through here. And over on this side, this is just the floor panel that needs to be changed. But otherwise it's in good shape. I mean, pretty good shape. The car is pretty much straight, so the dashboard we're going to get rid of. I'm going to use the dashboard out to the white one, which is in better shape. And then yeah, everything else is just going to be welded back in place, and we're going to try to do all of this with you guys. We're going to share all that excitement of welding and everything. So one of the reasons for going with the E30 chassis and this build, where actually what we were really looking to do is build a car that is capable of being show. We wanted something old school that can maintain performance wise. You know, we want something that performs, that looks good, that could slide, so it's going to be partially drift as well. And we want to keep it old school, and yeah, owned a 3 Series back then, so I know more or less what a car has, the potential of those chassis and what's up. As far as the engine wise, we're going to keep it German, so we're going to go with an M52 B28 that we're going to put in there. And I don't know, maybe next year, you know, once the project is done, we could maybe think on turboing the car, and we see from there. But for now, we want to keep it natural aspirated and try our best to complete the body work, because it's going to be a lot. I know the body work is frightening when you look at it that way. I don't know how it looks on camera, but trust me, it is frightening. Sometimes I keep on asking myself, you know, wow, what did I get myself into here? But it's a project. You got to look at it as a project. You try to build, you know, take it from one stage and build it. You know, when you achieve, hey, you could say that, listen, this is something that I built from the ground up, you know. And that is what 721 is all about. We try to build our own stuff, you know, take it from one place and bring it to where you would want it to be, you know. And that's the idea. So guys, you know now what we've been working on, what we've been thinking on, what was on the drawing board was to find ourselves an E30. And believe me, it was not easy finding an E30 on the island that is in good shape. And I say good shape because believe me, those two there are in the best condition that I've ever seen, as far as other E30s that we have passed by and checked. And when I mean other, maybe one or two that are very, it's like there's no way to even think on getting back. On the coupe, honestly, I will need the quarter panel glass windshield. I'm gonna delete the sunroof, you know, because it's just gonna be too much. Sourcing parts for these cars is not easy. And as you know, people that know the E30 could tell you that finding parts for these cars nowadays is like, it's like buying parts for a Ferrari. The price of them is like friggin' high. Everybody sells the parts, used parts, extremely high. The body panels for these cars are just friggin', they're just high. The prices are just exaggerated, in my opinion. Again, that is my opinion. So we're gonna try to do everything ourselves. We're gonna buy the metal sheets, bend it, do it our own way, you know, island style. And yeah, we don't need a car to be OEM look. Okay, because either way I'm gonna put I'm planning on putting a M kit on it, not the M3 kit. I'm not doing a M3 look alike. I'm not reproducing an M3. I'm gonna keep it as it is, you know, just that we're gonna put, you know, some nice bumpers on it and maybe a side skirt, something simple, just nothing too out of the way. So guys, if you have any ideas, you have any tips, please comment. Don't be afraid to comment. Tell us what you guys think, and subscribe and help us with this build. You know, just tag along with us and help us with this build. You know, that's all we're asking. If you have parts available that you're willing to, you know, get rid of, you know, you can send us a text, send us an email, whatever, and you know, we would be glad to try to get as much things that we could salvage from left and right, you know, from who has and what, you know, try to get this build completed. Right now I'm gonna take on the welding, and I'm not a professional welder, I can tell you that from now on, but I'm gonna try to take on the welding, and yeah, we go from there. That's where the fun is. You gotta try to do things yourself. Try to get it done yourself. If you're reaching a spot that you're yeah, you hit the wall, then yeah, you call out for a professional welder. But we're trying to do this as a group where we're gonna bring each member in, you know, and we're gonna tackle it stage by stage. The car doesn't have to be built in 2 weeks. It doesn't have to be built in 2 months. There's a project that we plan on taking on maybe for a year and a half and get it right. So as I say, tag along with us, you know, hit that subscribe button, the like, the comments, share it. Guys, there's an E30 build, you can't go wrong. So I see you guys in the next episode where we're gonna start with a cleaning, where we're gonna strip the white E30, the 4-door sedan. We're gonna strip of the interior because I'm gonna need interior parts for dashboard for these cars. Is like you don't want to even go there. So I'm gonna keep what I can keep, fix what I can fix, you know, fabricate what we can fabricate, and go from there. So guys, stay tuned, and if you're willing to help, let us know. We're more than happy to have more people on board and helping us, you know, and whichever way you can is always a big help. So guys, thank you for watching, for being patient. I know a lot of people ask, oh, so why you guys don't come with a drift car? So well, there you go. We will be coming up with a drift car partially then, because it's not going to be only about drifting. We want to maybe drag race, but mainly show old school, you know, the grandpa, your older, you know, the senior citizen. But guys, yeah, stay tuned and just keep following us 721s all the way till we own.
He's here. That man Rudy over there, but I can't point over there because Rudy don't want me to show the thing. So let's wait for it. No, there go Rudy. There he is. See there. Okay, good.